What's up guys, I'm Zain, I'm the co-founder of SEO Agento, and I'm here to show you what the tool can do for you and your business to grow traffic from ChatGPT, from Google, from Perplexity, so that your business gets more conversions, your business gets more revenue online. First of all, I want to say congratulations, you made it, you subscribed to this platform, you have SEO AI agents, SEO employees at your disposal. The thing that we wanted to do with this tool was that we wanted to put the SMB, small to medium sized businesses, on the same playing level as enterprises by giving them a full team of SEOs that do work for them. So basically you have all of these functionalities, all of these AI employees doing a work of a marketing agency and enterprise that have big media and marketing budgets. So you have all of that at your disposal for a fraction of that price. So let's dig in. Let's look at the tool here. So you've probably run your first audit. You can start another one from here. Let's try with Nike.com. And you can run up to 3 projects at a time. If you need to replace a project, you can easily remove it from the dashboard and then create a new project. So here we have the Nike.com analysis, the AEO score, and the brand intelligence gathered. The brand intelligence is really important for all the functionalities to work properly in the app, and it is built by using your existing website content. Now let's continue to the topical model. Select a language and it builds topical clusters for your brand. These are the topics and subtopics our AI has identified to be important for your brand. By creating content for most of, if not all of these, you will increase your SEO and AI search visibility. Now let's move to the content calendar. Here you can select all topics that are relevant for your brand and website and build a content calendar. And here you can also have generate content by clicking this button. The agent builds schema markup for all generated content, which helps with AI visibility. Here you can see an example of generated content and the keywords, meta tags, and images. You can search for more stock images or then generate your own by using AI image generator. You can also upload your own images. When you have checked the article and made needed modifications, you can either copy paste it to your CMS and publish or download it as a WordPress file. You can also press auto publish and it publishes to your CMS automatically. You need to set up the integration first. Currently we have a direct integration to WordPress, Webflow, Shopify, and Wix. But if you need a custom integration, press this button and our customer support agent will reach out to you. Also, we have provided documentation on how to integrate these, but you can reach out to customer support anytime. Now we have the technical SEO analysis, and this has valuable information on what to improve for better AI search crawlability, indexability, and visibility. It also includes a core web vitals analysis. You can send these to your website developer or send us a request and we will reach out to you for next steps. This is something we think will bring tremendous value to your business. The domain analytics. This one basically replaces all your expensive SEO analytics and research tools as it shows you the keyword rankings and AI search visibility for your website. It also analyzes your data by clicking this button. It gives you very tactical and straightforward optimization recommendations based on the data. Again, you can reach out to our content optimization expert by clicking this button. Next one is an AI consultant, and you can ask it any question related to marketing or give it any task. It is grounded by your brand knowledge, the brand tone, content, tech SEO, and domain analytics. So you can ask it anything. You can ask it to create a marketing strategy or email templates or even marketing campaigns for paid search. It can also generate images and ad creatives or analyze your campaign data, and also anything related to SEO and AI search. The opportunities are endless, and this is your AI marketing specialist available for you anytime. Next features are more advanced. You can set up a lead generation and AI Assistant Chatbot on your website. Just add this code snippet to your website code, or we can also do it for you upon request. This chatbot is also grounded by your brand content, and it sends leads directly to your email or CRM by using webhooks. Again, another tool that saves you hundreds of euros per month. The next feature also requires a snippet, but as you have added one for lead generation, the same snippet works for these two functionalities. Let's dig into the FAQ generator. Input your page and it generates and places an FAQ component directly to your website. You can stylize it to suit your website styles. FAQs are really important for both SEO featured snippets and AI search visibility, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. This feature makes your website agentic and enables your website to talk to third-party AI agents from ChatGPT, Google, Claude, Manus, and others. There is also a lead generation functionality, so these AI agents can send leads directly to your website without browsing the website. This is the future of the internet, and by using these features, you are steps ahead of your competition. We are in the early stages of building AI agents for marketing, and if you have any feedback or feature requests, please contact us. Thank you so much for your support, and hope your brand and business grows in these exciting times.